Welcome. In front of me is a T-Phone 6 Pro from T-Mobile, and today I'll show you how you can put this phone into safe mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, extend the list, and somewhere here you'll find the power button. Press on it and then hold power off. This will bring up a window. Reboot to safe mode, confirm it by tapping on OK. Just wait for the device to boot back up. And as you can see, now that the device is back on, it's now in safe mode. So once you unlock the device, you'll probably realize that a bunch of the things don't really seem to work. So as an example, widgets don't work. And if you have any installed applications, you can say goodbye to those, because in this mode they are completely disabled and you have no way of actually running them whatsoever. So this mode is strictly designed for troubleshooting your phone. Once you're done doing so, just reboot the device to go back to normal mode, where you can again use all the apps. And to do so, you just press the power button once more and select restart. Once the device reboots, it goes back to normal mode. And with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.